Hey sunshine, I just got a storage unit. This is it. I already broke the seal on it.
Guys, I've never used a cylinder lock before. I had no idea what I was doing. I had to look up how to use this. I figured it out eventually. I got my first moving truck.
Yes!
This is the key and all of the contract stuff. Let's see. So we matched the key, the car number to the number on the side. And open her up.
Ooh. Oh, that step.
This is just so cool. There's so much room in here.
Whoa, look at that speaker and that radio. Go ahead, take it.
Look at that. And of course we're safe from anything coming forward, which is awesome.
This is so pretty.
I'm really excited. Carter's gonna go get breakfast. Thanks to Avery for helping us get here.
Of course.
We're on our way to Savannah. I'll see you guys there.
Whoa.
It says Savannah 30 minutes, or 30 miles. Made it! There's Pupper. Say hi, Carter. Okay. Hi, Pupper. We made it to Savannah. It's time to pack all of my stuff up. It'll fit. This is a 12-foot truck. We're fine.
She said it'll fit.
It'll fit. It better fit.
How do you fit in there? Carefully.
Hi.
Part of the moving process.
It's all gone. It is done, and it is time to go home. I'm exhausted. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye, Savannah. I didn't film the drive from Savannah to Orlando just because it was late, we were tired, and it was dark, so there wasn't really any point. But essentially, I had to drop Carter off so that he could go to work, and this next part took me 4 hours. Alright, I look like a hot mess, but I did it. It's all in there. And that thing is stuffed. Like, there's a bunch of room up there, but that's only because I could not get it up there to put stuff up there. But you cannot see anywhere in that corner. But I don't have a whole lot of time. I need to go return the truck and hope everything goes well. Cross our fingers. We made it. Everything's good. Everything's situated. I was in slight panic mode because I had run about 2 hours over my drop-off time, but thankfully they didn't didn't seem to mind, so I got the truck back to the store and all is good. Everything fits in this storage unit. It's sealed, it's done. Now the next step is to actually go through the storage unit and see what I can get rid of. Wish me the best of luck because that is going to be an interesting task in and of itself. I'm sweaty, I'm sticky, I'm gross, I feel ugh. But food takes precedence because I am hungry. So food first, then shower, then I get to relax the rest of the day. I hope this was somehow informative for you guys, at least a little bit. If not, and this was for pure enjoyment, awesome, that works too. Thanks for hanging with me. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Why you got so much stuff? Pink octopus.